Now we'll go to our mid-cap company, two mid-cap company of today's series number 4. One is BKT Tires, Balkrishna Industry, that is tire, and it is a mid-cap company. 0.45 lakh crore is market capitalization of this company. Dividend yield is 0.5%. Promoter is 59, mutual fund is 18, DII is 6, FII is 11, and R means retailer is 5% only. Current price of company is 2368. All-time high is 3345. 52-week high is 2915. 52-week low is 2152. Down from all-time high is 29%. So company like Balkrishna Industry, it is a tire manufacturing company, and usually it manufacture large size tire, tailor-made tires. So it is a high profit earning company. Down from all-time high is 29%. Down from 52 high is 18%. Up from 52 week low is 10%. P of this company is also very justified now. It is 33, and gain from listing you can see that when company is listed in stock market, or else we can say that when we'll see chart in Google about Balkrishna Industry or BKT Tire, we will if we'll go for maximum gain, we'll see that it has given a gain of 1,77,990%, which is a huge gain, and it doesn't include dividend, stock split, and bonus also. So it may be greater than 1,77,900%. So we can think of this company, it is at very good buying level, but do your own study before investing. Now another company is UBL. Beer and alcoholic beverages core business of this company, United Beverages Limited. Mid cap company, it is 0.42 lakh crore is market capitalization of this company. Dividend yield is 0.5%. Promoter holding is 70%. Mutual fund is 15%. DII is 1%. FII is 6%, and retailer are only 3%. Current price of this company is 1604. All-time high is 2300, and 52 high is also 2300. 52 low is 1572. Down from all-time high is 30%. It is a good company, and if we are getting this company at a at a discount of 30% from peak, we can think of buying this company. From 52 high also it is at a discount of 30%. Now, if you'll see what is the current position from 52 week low, it is almost at 52 week low. You can see that 52 week low price is 1572, whereas current price is 1604. It is only 2% up from 52 week low, so it is at a very good buying level. And P of this company is 116. It is a little bit greater, more than we can say it is not good P, but then also company is good. We can think of investing in this company with small chunks. Gain from listing is maximum yield of this company is 934%. So United Beverages is a monopoly company. Promoter holding is more than 70%. Retailer is only 3%. So we can think of investing in this company.